Hey, what is up guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm showing how to replace the upper and lower oxygen sensors on a Nissan Rogue. Also goes for the X Trail. So I got these off of eBay. I'll post the direct links to these in the description of the video. So what we're going to do is pop the hood. Well, I gotta unlock the car first. Okay. And this is for the 2.4 liter. So in the previous video, we replaced the cat, and in this video, they both easily accessible from the top. So all you're gonna need is a 22mm oxygen sensor socket. All right, first thing we're gonna do is disconnect the battery, disconnect the ground. All right, so both connectors is right here. The lower is this one, upper is that one. All you gotta do is push down on the tab and all right, so both is disconnected. We're gonna undo it from here. Just pull the front forward, take it up, and repeat the same thing for the bottom. All right, so just slide it through. Alright, so I got the top one broke loose. We're gonna unscrew it. So top one's out. Now I just gotta break loose the bottom one. Great. Got it broke loose too. Now we can unscrew that one. Great. Now we can open the new one. Let me take these out. Let me see the one here. Alright, so I got both of them taken out. The longer one is going to be the lower. So the one with the black connector is the longest. So that's the lower oxygen sensor. And the shortest one is the upper. And they should already come with NICs. Yep. All we gotta do is put it in. And screw it. Alright, can't turn that one no more. We'll just lay that up here and then we'll go ahead and tighten it back. Alright, so the bottom's tightened, so we can reconnect it. And that one goes into this tab. I'm not sure how well the microphone picked up that click. And then just slide it through here. That's so the bottom's replaced. Now we just gotta do the top one. Alright, so now we're gonna repeat the same step for the upper. I'm making sure I ain't twisting the harness. Don't want to accidentally create a short. Alright, can't turn that no more. So, same thing. We got to switch to the extended one. But we want to tighten that. Alright, and then once you got that tightened, just reconnect it. Alright, that one's connected. Then same thing. Slide it through this groove. Alright, now we're going to rehook up the battery. And voila. So that's how you replace the upper and lower oxygen sensor on Nissan Rogue and X Trail. That's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next one.